Good morning, chat. Welcome back to another video. I didn't trade yesterday, nor did I look at the market. I don't trade Mondays. I didn't check out the charts yesterday. But things were just a bit hectic. Had to do with my move out. Um, yeah, yeah. So I'm kind of settled right now. So we're gonna hop on the chart and see what today has to bring. But we're gonna review what happened yesterday because I didn't. I went through it today, but just obviously go through with you guys. We have the opening range gap right here from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, as you guys can see there. I don't know. Price looked nice yesterday. Had a bit of a sweep of liquidity to the upside, the London high, and then uh yeah, during the London high, and then after them during the macro hours, you guys can see price used this first value gap as an inverse, and then sold this low, and then these lows, these nice lows right there, and then stopped right here at that first value gap, and then a new week opening gap, as you guys can see there, right by the midpoint. Just fell short touching it there, and then price went higher on the 15 minute. I saw this. Is it okay? I can delete this, right? I'm not using that right now. On the 15 minute, there was nothing on this side, but price came back into this once again, respecting that. Had a nice drop, and then we had a turnaround here. Here, respecting this big 15-minute fair value gap. So this one right over here, you guys see that, and then it turned around, and then let me see what time was this. Mm, come on, man. Oh, as you guys see, then we had a turnaround, then price went back up to the upside. Currently, wait, okay, during the macro, it used this to go higher. Ideally, we wanted to use this, but this came into back into this, so this would give you confirmation we can use this to enter. But anywho, um, something I saw price came back into this daily fair value gap, this big daily fair value gap that we're in right now at the moment. So let me show you guys on the daily. On the daily, so this is where we had the reversal right over here. And then on the daily, price came back into this daily fair value gap right over here. Came right back into it, just for a short touching the midpoint, and then we had a drop to the downside. So I don't know if I do wanna see lower prices in a sense because of this reaction that we have right now. But before we get lower prices, I wanna see price go higher. Basically, maybe sweep some liquidity to the upside before retracing and then coming back down. How I'm looking at this. And then we have these nice, beautiful lows down here as well. I'll show you guys that right now. So that's the thing about a daily. Daily, I'm thinking about dropping, but a bit of a retracement first and market open. That's if it gives us a retracement. So on the 15 minute, we have this value gap and we have this. So I want to see the market open, it price gonna push up, probably retracing to this or this, and then we can potentially see lower prices. Take out this primary sell side. If it doesn't take it out now, we have this beautiful low. Yeah, this primary sell side, and what is it? The lows I'm talking about is these, bro. I don't think this could be today, but the sell side liquidity is. Let me show you guys. Sell side, sell side liquidity. So we have this beautiful sell side liquidity now. These relative equal lows there. They're so clean. I don't think they'll take it out today, but definitely eyes are on this. If it is a we're gonna continue, if we're gonna continue selling. So we have 5 minutes until market open. We'll see what price gives us. And because currently right now we're above this new week opening gap midpoint right now. So let's see, is price gonna come back up here? Because on the left side we don't really have value gaps. Not really. We do, well, I only see this now. We do have this one right over here. And it did disrespect it, but the bodies are still inside. The bodies did the damage, but the bodies are still inside. Um, yeah, left, touch, came back, drop. So, but we'll just wait for market open. We see, and we have the small one right over here. This one. So, I'll just wait for market open and we see what price has for us. Because price can come take this out and then continue going higher. So, take this out and then continue going higher. But yeah, but we're gonna wait. Let me see. And we have the news today at 10 o'clock. So it would be nice if we can catch a trade before 10 and be on the right direction of the trade. And yeah, be on the right direction of the trade. If you're in the right direction, the market will help push the trade. If not, we're gonna get stopped out. So yeah, let's see what the market has for us. And yeah, yeah, get these in this. She's picking at the point. I think we might have a small opening range cap. Excuse me. So we're in a small downtrend. See which is that's clean. Okay, how these do so delete. Patient and we can see what the market has for us today. Opening price. Okay, we came back into this fair value gap and this end dog and the lower half of this. To be honest, it would be very beautiful play if we still do the damage and then price stays lower half of this when this 50 minute candle is done and like closing below the That would be nice. But let's see. Let's see. Be patient and let it play out. I think we're already tapping that opening range gap midpoint. Let me see that. Yeah, we did. We did. We see that. So, because this could be the Judas swing, and then price could back down. So we're looking for sales today. So let's see what we get at opportunity for taking sales. The price is breaking this midpoint. If not, yeah, we could. I'll be strict on that. Be strict on that. Oh, come on. Or take other. Let's see if we take other and then how. Mm, smart cut. Now we can put this. Let's see if we got an offer for value gap. Okay, we haven't gotten that yet. Mm. So we can we take others London high, use that, then price reverses. So let's see if we can get that first for value gap, and then we can use it as an inverse. That'll be a nice play. To got the London high. Nice push there. There was a first value gap here from the 5th of uh June, but I deleted it because it was 3 days old. Just around, literally around here. And we took out this primary. I think we might take out that daily high. I think it's somewhere. Let me show you guys. Come on. There we go. This one. We took that out as well. This we took out this as well. And market this. We took out this daily high. Mm. This is a daily high. Gosh. Oh, it's too small. This is too small. What about this one? Okay, this is our first value gap. It's a bit hefty in it. Mm. So we took out the London high, and we took out the primary buy side and this daily high. I'm gonna wait for price to go below this to sell. I'm not interested in if wait. Bum, 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 bum. Let's look at this 15 minutes or so. What's going on? It'd be nice if it were to close below this. But we have a minute left. See this for really up. Just small 15-minute one. Who's gonna buy? It's gonna have to go without me, chat. I'm good. Mm. uh, Please me, baby. Your. Hey man, if it goes higher, it's gonna go without me, chat. But also, I don't blame it. It has to close this opening range gap. We still haven't closed it. But nah, I'm gonna stick to my plan. I'm gonna stick to my plan. I have a plan and I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm gonna just wait it out. But our prices this was very gap. It left it, came back, higher prices. I really want to find a solution to without getting the screenshots, screen recordings from my phone. Sometimes I just don't like the MetaTrader on the laptop. It's not nice. And it shows my name. That's one thing I don't like about it. Not that I mind, but uh, amen. I'm in the macro right now. Um, let's see. Price might want to use this for belly gap. Join the macro to go higher. Price is pushing higher. I'm looking at if it's gonna go any higher. I'm looking at this area right here. This is big 15-minute for belly gap. We have an auto block here. I'm looking at this. If it is, or potentially close the entire gap. Actually, yeah, actually close the gap because we still have this opening edge gap open. Uh, so trade closed about this. but we ain't gonna worry about it. We ain't gonna worry about it. Yo. Mm. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, we have news in 10 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes. Let's see what the news does. Ah, uh, Also, we just at that value gap high right there. This is the fair value gap high. There's the fair value gap high. This is the fair value gap high. If cloud price closes above this, an example for tomorrow, then I wanna take buys to for higher prices. Yeah. Like I said, if it buys like expire now, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna stay off. Mm, da, 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 da. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Let's see what the news does. Let's see, will it push it back into this fair value gap? Okay. He's surprised he's gonna buy for the day, bro. So in all honesty, if I had waited, either I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, but 15 minutes price came back up above it and expanded higher. So this would have been a nice entry when price left, came back. That would have been a nice entry for buyers right over there. Or maybe waiting for this, but we would not have gotten filled. I think it used the mud point. Let me see. Yeah, just about that. And yeah, it's gonna continue going higher. We'll see. Yeah, no trades today. I'm gonna hop off and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow and see what the market has for us. My first day. Oh, happy let me go. Yeah, and then this is my trade idea. So my first TP would be this. I mean, my last TP would be this. My second one would be this. Yeah, but those I didn't trade today. Uh, I don't doubt we'll catch a trade tomorrow. We'll just see unless we trade the second macro because oh my days. Because we have 10 a.m. red folder. I don't really do red folders. Yeah, that's a bit steep. So we might have to wait for that sub macro or wait for the last after the news, wait for those last bit minutes after the macro and just see what price does. But yeah, I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna see you boys. Wait, let's just wait for the macro to end. With like 4 minutes or three. Let's see, is it gonna invest this? Yeah, continue going lower. Inside, let's see what continue going lower. This would be a nice sell when price came back up down there. A little bit risky because I prefer if I want to catch sales to down here, I would want to use this. Yeah, but this. We have 2 minutes until the macro is done, and then I'm gonna hop off. back into this. That's a nice trade idea. Short from here. Stop loss below that. That's TP. I would make it this. And second this. So this would be TP1 and then TP2, that right there. So I didn't take any trades. I'm not taking any trades. I'm just showing you what I would do or what I would have done. Besides, I missed it. No. Anyways, boys, I'm done. I'm gonna hop off now. See you guys on the next one. And yeah, check you guys. Check you guys. That nice reaction. See how it respected the midpoint there. But anyways, cheers. Where's my